Back to the weather now, and there is one last burst of showers heading up the coast, Graham.
Yes, it's still sitting in Victoria at the moment, but we are already starting to see some showers, Juanita, developing ahead of a southerly wind change. And that's going to bring some further showers across Sydney. They'll develop by around about dawn, but having said that, we actually have a couple of showers sitting through parts of southern suburbs. These have triggered falls of up to about 2 millimetres. Now, the next front will develop overnight and then move through Sydney during tomorrow morning, but those showers will clear off relatively quickly. Across the rest of the state, it was actually quite a warm night through the northeastern corner. That was followed by a very hot day through that northeast. And the cold front has now moved through that region. We saw milder conditions persisting across much of the remainder of the state, and there was a build-up of convective cloud through this afternoon, but associated rainfall really has been patchy and light. It's mostly fallen at this stage across the southern border districts and then up into the Illawarra and now southern parts of Sydney. Now, there are a couple of cloud bands visible on the satellite picture. Now, these are all in association with cold fronts. But the belt of high pressure system is actually going to limit the impact on New South Wales, with temperature variations and winds rather than rainfall being the main impact. So tomorrow's front is the last with a good potential to trigger some rainfall, but they're actually going to be confined mostly about the coastal district and ranges. And by Wednesday, temperatures rapidly start to warm as winds tend more northerly across the state. Now, Melbourne should see a dry day, and it's the only dry day for this week. It'll be dry ahead of an evening shower in Hobart. There is a good chance of some showers and a possible thunderstorm for Darwin. Now, the majority of rainfall tomorrow really is expected to be less than about 5 millimetres. It's going to be more likely closer to the coast. We could see a few thunderstorms possible about parts of the northern tablelands. So in the northeastern corner, some isolated showers and thunderstorms. These are all developing ahead of and behind that cold front moving up the coast through the morning. We should see conditions gradually clearing in the evening. The strong winds also spreading up the coast through the day. They'll reach the Hunter early morning and the far north in the afternoon. Dry, mostly sunny along the tablelands. Showers and thunderstorms in the coastal districts. They'll clear the south coast in the morning and the Illawarra and the Blue Mountains in the afternoon. The strong winds developing on the waters at any stage through the day. Over the inland, a cold start over the southern inland, but a dry, mostly sunny day. Some moderate winds, a possible early thundery shower about the northern slopes. So on Sydney waters, we've got strong winds developing across all the waters. That's with and after that southerly change. Our lows will range from about 10 to 15 to cooler tops of just 17 to 22 degrees. Just a few showers about, some isolated thunderstorms overnight, but more likely from around dawn with and behind that wind change. And the change itself due in around 9 a.m. But once we move past that, back to clear, dry and mostly sunny conditions. Juanita, there will be another wind change on Friday, dropping temperatures a couple of degrees for the weekend.
Thanks for that, Graham. Lee Sales is here now with 7:30.